property investment really is not rocket science. So many people try and overcomplicate the process. And actually those that get the most success are the ones that just go out and take action. Now, what I'm not saying is that some form of education, some form of investment in your knowledge is a bad thing. But too many times I see this analysis paralysis, that over-education, because they feel that they've got to be super prepared for every eventuality. And the reality is that you will never be prepared for every eventuality in the property world. There are so many variables when it comes to dealing with people, dealing with property, dealing with service providers, dealing with finance, and you cannot be ready for everything that might happen to you. Because if we're honest, it might never happen to you. And why have you prepared for something that might never actually happen? And what you tend to find is that the more you invest in education, in courses, in hot tips, in YouTube videos, the less action you are taking, and actually the more nervous you are becoming, the more your confidence is being knocked. And what you really need to do is just get out there, view properties, meet with people, have conversations with property owners, have conversations with estate agents. No one cares how little knowledge you've got when you're out there. You might think that when you go in you don't want to look silly, but trust me, having been an agent for 9 years and being in the property industry now for 17 plus years, we really don't care how little knowledge you have got. The reality is we just want to ensure that when you say you're going to do something, you go and do it. You're going to face hurdles, you're going to face bumps in the road, and yes, having someone alongside you that has been there and done that will help you, but that kind of really needs to be when you're a bit further along. Don't let overthinking get you stopped from starting in property investment, and just get out there and start doing it. It's the best way to start learning.